Hi guys, welcome to another video. Hope you guys are all good and having a great day so far. It's Friday, so we are there almost. Got a Lenovo Idea Center 3 07AD805, and it's running pretty slow, got high memory usage. So I've recommended that have a quick look inside and upgrade the memory. So that's pretty simple actually. You know, the tools that I'm using today: simple screwdriver, one screw to remove, pull it off from here, and it will reveal the board. So let's get the back off. Get the screw in a little container somewhere so you don't lose it. Trust me, I've taken apart laptops and PCs and then put everything back together. Think, got 3 screws left. Where did they go? And you can't find them. So right, so let's pull the back off. Okay. This has just come off. I don't know what. Oh yeah, this is just going to go. Shouldn't just come off actually. We can just put this back in. It's not a big deal. Probably for another card, something like that. I think it goes in this way. Okay, and the memory and a few cobwebs. Got a 1 terabyte drive in it. Let's see how old this drive is. Shouldn't be that old by the looks of it. Normally you have a date on here, so it's March 2020. That's when they manufactured. So it was not that old, this machine. So we've got a 4 gig stick in it. It's basically a laptop, isn't it? Look at the board. It's basically a laptop, and we need to upgrade it to probably 8 gig. So hopefully I've got something in my stash that's similar. That's cool. And actually, yeah, it should be okay. I'm gonna give it a go anyway. Whack it in. It's a RX16 4 gig. It should be okay to use. So yeah, I'm gonna put the original memory in now. Goes in at an angle, so you put it down and then clip it in. Same thing with the other one. And that's how you change memory. Pretty straightforward. Again, I can't tell you what the model number of the original one is. I don't remember what type you call them, to be honest. I don't need to know half the time, just whack it in. And we put the, in fact, I won't put the back on yet. I'll make sure that I test the machine out and you know, it works as it should. So I'll plug it in to my monitor now and see how we get on. All right, so as you can see now, we've got 8 gig, and yeah, it's definitely running a little bit quicker, or a lot quicker. It was booting up pretty quickly, and what was happening before was that it would take ages to load or do anything. Now it's definitely better. So yeah, that's how you increase the memory. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.